up, guys? Jason Guyman here with PressureWashHelp.com, and today I want to just kind of go over everything I got right here with my trailer right here that I built. This is a trailer build I did, and there's a lot of videos on this of all the different build. I actually sold this trailer. It's getting ready to go to south of Lexington tomorrow, and so I just wanted to do a real quick video of everything that this includes. So first thing is we have our box up here. With this box, I have a mixer valve here on the outside of the box, and inside the box I have a 12 volt for my 12 volt 5.5 gallon for roof cleaning and soft washing, and I also have another pump in there for water fed pole. It's a 2.2 gallon pump, and it is for water fed pole. I have a dump valve here. Obviously I'm trying to dump the water out of this here so my Jeep don't like pulling that tailgate. We go right here. First thing, everything is aluminum reels, Titan reels with the stainless steel insides for the stuff, so nothing's going to rust. This is going to last a long time. This trailer will be around for a long time and can make a lot of money. So we have an 8 gallon a minute feeding this here. We have 200 feet of 3/8 high pressure hose. We are actually using just R1. R1 is for 4,000 psi, and so my 8 gallon a minute machine ain't pulling more than that, so I just went with the 4,000 psi hose. I like that hose because it's a lot lighter than the bigger hose. You use that R2, the 6,000, it weighs a lot more, and over time you will see that your arms get sore. So the next thing is right here in the back side of that, we have a 65 gallon water tank that is feeding my pressure washer, it's feeding my 12 volt, it's feeding my water fed pole, and it is feeding, that is it. And it also has my return in it. I did a couple videos on that if you want to check that out. Right here I have my downstream injector. And right down here I have my 3-way valve. So I have one that goes into my water tank and one that goes into my 50 gallon soap tank. Next thing is we have 150 feet of 3/4 inch Flexzilla hose for our garden hose. This is what feeds our water tank, and this is how I'm able to feed my water tank, which feeds my pressure washer, and I'm able to hook up to customers' houses with that reel right there. Again, I put everything on the driver's side because I always pull up on that side and I don't like pulling in driveways, and this is enough to get me around about 90% of the houses that I need to be. 90 to 95%. I may carry an extra section of 50 foot. I can put it in my box in case I need to be 250, but this will get me everything. I got 200 feet of 200 feet of a 1/2 inch kerr mantle. This is for my soft wash system. It's got the homemade wand on it. It's got the nozzle on it here, and this right here does great, and it will work awesome for you for roof cleaning, house washing, all that great stuff that you do. It is actually ran through that mixer valve, so then I can actually get the solution that I need. So if I need it for house washing, all I got to do is crank it for house washing, put it on about 30, which would be right around 1%. I could go 45 and be a little bit stronger than that. But again, that is where I am with my 12 volt system here. The last thing back here on the back, I have a 3/8, 200 feet of 3/8 Flexzilla hose, and this is for my water fed pole. And then on the back side here, I have my DI tank. And so with my 3/8 hose, I can run and clean windows and do exterior window cleaning all from this one side. I don't have to get a hose reel over there, nothing. Everything is on this side right here. I'm going to use the tailgate and this right here. This will be for my ladder rack right here. This is my ladder rack. I'm able to put a 28-foot aluminum ladder right here, and it'll go right back there. I can tie it down, and that will be my ladder rack. So here we have a 50-gallon water tank, or I'm sorry, a soap tank, SH tank. It don't have no bulkheads in the bottom of it, so I don't have to worry about it leaking, getting leaks in it. It's a solid tank. I have my 2 bulkheads coming out of the top, and so that way I don't have to worry about soap coming out of the bottom. I have a 10-gallon, I think it's 10 or 12-gallon 10-gallon gas tank right here. This will last all day. I have my 8-gallon a minute Predators right here, motor right here with my 8-gallon a minute pump. And then I have my battery right here, which is a deep cycle marine battery.